Hi guys, Decent Syndrome here. Day 2 of the 30-day poster challenge. Remember, you can join the Discord from the link below. From there, you'll meet a community of other artists that will be undertaking this challenge with you. So without further ado, let's get it. For this one, I'll be using the Quixotic with its award referring to the character from the literature classic, the Don Quixote. And the meaning of the word, it's supposed to mean with something it's overly chivalrous and sort of naive when you're making something that's really not practical, but you're doing it because of a heightened sense of idealism that's not letting you like see the reality of that the thing that you're trying to do is literally impossible, but you're just so naive and engulfed in the idea that you cannot see reason. Yeah, here also in the Discord I wrote a simple like definition. That is, the term is often used to describe actions or ideas that are noble but impractical and reflect a disconnect from the real world limitations. Now, I might be digging myself into a fucking hole here because I'm not quite sure how I'm about to portray this graphically, but hey, I'll try. Let's just get this over with. I need to keep on with my day. Okay guys, I'm actually really struggling with this one. I wanted to make like play within for the it's futile, all this connectivity, all this loneliness to make a play around all the connectivity we have nowadays, yet we feel like sometimes we are more apart than ever. Really on the nose for the graphic, I know, but I wanted to make the thing like feel really unbalanced but on purpose, you know, to make it the part on the bottom like really disconnected like from the top, and also like the top part is really oppressing the figure on the part below. But I feel that I need to make this part on the bottom even smaller to make it like really drive the point home, you know, that it's being unbalanced. It needs to be even more apparent, like almost to a ridiculous degree, because if I don't do that and I leave it as it was, it turns out being a balanced poster, and I want to make it unbalanced here on purpose. So it's like the bottom part is trying to balance out the part on the top, but it won't make it. That's the point of the Quixotic task, you know, to make an unbalanced poster on purpose. I feel like that would be better. Okay guys, this is the finished piece. I hope you liked it. I myself, I like it. I don't think it's conveying the idea that I wanted so much. I still do like the contrast of the futile task I feel of the bottom part, trying to compensate for the heaviness of the piece at the top. I don't know if that makes sense. It's sort of a Quixotian task, let's say, but not super happy how it turned out concept-wise. Visually, I do like the piece. I think that the one from yesterday was heaps better conceptually, and the execution of it. But it doesn't matter, it's not that important. The important thing is that I sat down and did the piece. I hope you all are doing the same. Just stick to it, you'll see progress by the end of it. And yeah guys, see you tomorrow. Bye. Fuck peace, wish you conflict.